Do you have a sweet tooth and is sugar one of your weaknesses? Or are you someone who is looking for healthier alternatives or substitutes to white sugar? Then keep watching this video, as today I will be talking about some natural and healthy sugar substitutes which you can use to sweeten your food and to satisfy your sweet cravings. And which sugar substitute is best for you. I will also be talking about why eating too much sugar is bad for our health and how much we should consume it for our good health. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and inner peace. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Sugar is basically a type of simple carbohydrate that occurs naturally in certain food products like fruits and vegetables, dairy products. And consuming such foods with natural sugar is okay because they contain a range of other nutrients that provides important health benefits to our body. And so they are not bad for us and our health. But the problem occurs when we consume white sugar, which is the refined sugar, or we consume different forms of added sugar, which food manufacturers add to the food products to either enhance their flavor or shelf life. And about that, I've just talked about in one of my recent videos, whose link you can find in the description box below. So white sugar and added sugar, both are the leading causes of obesity and health problems in the world because they contain no nutritional value. And also they lack fiber, due to which when we consume them, they're quickly digested in our body, and that is why they're a poor energy source. What they contribute is that they only lead to a high calorie intake and weight gain in our body. And they also disrupt metabolism in our body by increasing insulin and fat storage. On top of that, they are highly addictive. So you may have noticed that when you consume white sugar or when you consume products containing white sugar or added sugar, you want to have more and more of them. You get addicted to it. This is because they are known to stimulate feel-good neurotransmitters in our body known as dopamine. In today's times, excess sugar consumption has become extremely common and it is known to contribute to a range of diseases. However, according to the American Health Association, maximum 30 grams of sugar should be consumed daily, which is about 6 teaspoons of sugar. And this includes all added sugar, which is sugar which is found in processed foods like cookies, cakes, biscuits, fruit juices, etc. or the sugar which we add to our teas, coffees and milkshakes. But it does not include natural sugars which are found in fruits and certain vegetables. But this much amount of sugar consumption is only good if you are healthy and active at the same time. Otherwise, it will only cause harm to your body. But frankly speaking, the lesser you consume refined sugar and added sugar, healthier you will be. And so it is best that you switch to healthier and natural alternatives or substitutes to sugar, which can provide you with the same taste and feel in your mouth, and which can help you to add sweetness to the foods you want to. And the benefits of these substitutes is that they are healthier than your refined sugar and can contribute to healthy living. So now let us look at the healthier sugar alternatives and substitutes which you should rather have over refined and added sugar and which are natural, healthy and minimally processed. Jaggery or gur is quite popular in India, not only because of its sweet taste but because of the numerous health benefits they provide to us. And that is why they are a healthy substitute to sugar. They are made primarily from raw concentrated sugarcane juice and sometimes they are also made from date palm, and they are either golden or dark brown in color. They are prepared by boiling the raw concentrated sugarcane juice till it solidifies. So you can see that jaggery is processed because it undergoes the process of boiling, but it is minimally processed and it undergoes no refining like your white sugar or refined sugar. And that is why they are able to retain most of its nutrients like iron, minerals and fiber, which provides good benefits to us. They help to boost our body's immunity, provides energy, prevents anemia, detoxifies our liver and reduces joint pain. And also they are very good in preventing many of the respiratory tract problems. So you can see how healthy they are. You can use jaggery easily in preparing homemade sweets like kheers, halwas and laddus, or you can add them to your teas and coffees, or you can also eat them as it is to satisfy your sweet cravings. Honey is a thick golden liquid which is produced by honeybees and which are known to contain antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, and are also known to contain certain amounts of vitamins and minerals that can help to prevent inflammation, heart disease and diabetes. They are better than white sugar because white sugar is refined and contains no nutrition, whereas honey has certain nutritional benefits to offer. So if you plan to include honey as a healthy alternative or substitute to sugar, always opt for raw and local honey because they are more pure and beneficial rather than going for processed honeys. So always keep this in mind that you do not buy processed honeys and you buy raw and local honeys. Honeys can be easily added to herbal teas, cakes, salads, sauces and salad dressings. Dates are basically fruits which are obtained from the date palm trees. They are natural whole foods and have higher nutritional value to offer as compared to your white sugar. And they are neither heavily processed or nor refined. According to the United States Food Drug Administration, 100 gram of pitted dates contain 2.5 gram of protein, 7.5 gram fiber, 77.5 gram carbohydrates, 50 milligram calcium and 600 milligram potassium. Dates are known to contain more amounts of potassium than a banana, which are very important minerals for our good heart health. Dates are a concentrated form of sugar, but they are better than refined sugar because they have a lower glycemic index. Plus, they are high in fiber, so when we consume them, they do not contribute to a drastic spike in our blood sugar levels. And lastly, additional nutrients in them makes them a healthy sugar substitute. You can easily add dates to your smoothies or your milkshakes, or you can make a paste out of them and add them to different sweets or food items you want to add to. Fresh fruits are natural sugar sources, due to which they are one of the healthy substitutes and alternatives to sugar. Now, I understand that fresh fruits cannot be added to different foods as sugar alternatives, but they're surely a good and healthy way to satisfy our sugar cravings or when we want to eat something sweet, because they're packed with a range of nutrients that boost our health. So, always choose local and seasonal fruits and eat them as a mid-morning snack or add them to your smoothies, yogurts and milkshakes to bring in the required sweetness without adding any sugar. So just recently, I had posted a very short video on my channel which was of a salad recipe. And the highlight of the salad recipe was that it tasted just like salad cream has been added to it. So if you add salad cream to any salad, it contains so much of added sugar in it, which is unhealthy for us. So the sweetness in the salad was contributed by adding fresh fruits, which was grapes, and the creaminess came from adding avocados. So fresh fruits are surely one of the way to add sweetness in your food and in your life, but not thinking about the negative effects it will cause to us. Now many of you may have heard of stevia, which is a natural sweetener which has gained popularity in the recent times and is considered a healthy alternative and substitute to sugar, because it is derived from plants and it contains nutrients and phytonutrients in them. Also, they are known to contain a compound called stevoside, which is known to lower blood pressure, blood sugar and insulin levels in our body. And they are generally considered as safe, but I would suggest you to not use them as a substitute and alternative to white sugar or replacement to sugar, because most of the stevia which you will find available in the market are heavily processed and have some additives added to them. The next thing I would like to say is that artificial sweeteners which are available in the market like aspartame, sucralose and saccharin, they also should not be consumed. So many of us may think that we can consume the artificial sweeteners because they are more healthier than sugar and they will not contribute to negative effects in our body, but that is not true. They are also very, very bad for us because they are chemically synthesized, they contain no nutrition and are also reported to affect our gut health and contribute to cancer. And that is why they should be totally avoided. So now we know about some healthy substitutes and alternatives to sugar which we can include, and also we know about some substitutes which we can avoid. And so now I would like to say something which is very, very important, which I would like to highlight specifically, is that these substitutes which I have mentioned here are surely natural and healthy. But just because they are natural and healthy does not mean that we consume them in excess. Moderation is the key here, because in the end all of them are alternatives and they're not a quick fix to satisfy your cravings of a binge eating if you want to follow the path of healthy living. So that's it for today. I really hope you found this video informational and useful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And also comment below as to what healthy sugar substitutes you're already including in your diet and what you would like to include in your diet. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.